Hi there, students. The libido. I think it's an uncountable noun. The libido talks about one's sex drive. Yeah, it's the part of your personality that causes sexual desires, that causes emotions. So, large amounts of alcohol can cause an increased libido or a decreased libido. Stress is very commonly a factor in the loss of libido. So the libido, the sex drive, the passion, the sexual desire, sexual appetite. Let's see, libido is something that Freud and Jung and the psychologists talked about and thought about a lot. Let's see, the libido is the energy or the instinct that comes from love or desire or energy or a force. I think I probably like Carl Jung's definition more. Is any type of desire or impulse which there is no authority, no moral authority or no physical authority that can alter it. So, for example, you're thirsty. Yeah, you can't stop yourself being thirsty, or you're hungry, or you're sleepy, or you're horny. Okay, these are all emotional states. They're basic drives that come from the id. They come from your basic being as a creature. Yeah, they're your basic feelings. So the libido. Let's see, mostly people nowadays, though, understand libido as your sex drive. Yeah, although in psychoanalysis it talks more about just primitive biological urges, one of which is the sex drive. Okay, so people are always looking for foods or ways to improve or increase their libido. A loss of libido can result from many different causes. If you have certain diseases, these can cause a loss of libido. The symptoms for this disease are sleeping all the time, gaining weight, and loss of libido, loss of sex drive. Yeah. So the libido, this psychic and emotional energy associated with instinct, with biological drives. But mostly, when people use the word libido, they talk about somebody's sex drive. Yeah. When you are young, when you are 16, your libido is something that drives almost everything you think about. Yeah, your libido is something that drives your every waking hour. Yeah. Look at this couple. They really should get a room and control their libidos. Mind you, it can be difficult to control your libido. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, it's the libido. It's your drive to reproduce, your drive for sex, your sex drive. Okay, let's see. Formality, libido. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. It's a good word to use in an essay for sex drive. And as to origin, there's a Latin word, libido, meaning lust or desire, and I think libido desire is probably a better word for it. So Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Libido.